We're going across to Advocate Manu Sharma. Mr. Manu Sharma, Gaurav Arya was in touch with Riya Chakrabarti. Would you have any details to share about Gaurav Arya and his links with Riya Chakrabarti? Did he supply drugs to her as seen from these chats?
Yes. I've already responded. Well, to call this an allegation, I think today is premature. I don't see, I've never been summoned by any agency to respond to any of this. I don't know the veracity or the authenticity of the tapes or the chats that are in your possession on the basis of which you're running this. But I can say this with complete certainty. I have never ever peddled or
forget the veracity. These are signed documents. They are with 3 agencies. I want to ask you, do you deny these chats?
So let those agencies come and ask me. I don't think any news channel.
So you're not denying these chats
to me. But
so you're not denying these chats. May I tell you, Mr.
It's a Manu Sharma. I'm sorry, it's a 3.5-year-old chat. It's a 3.5-year-old chat that you're using against my client. I don't call that responsible journalism. Does your client distribute
drugs? Yes or no? Are you denying that he had these chats with Riya Chakrabarti?
I'm not answerable to you. Please understand this. You have no authority to question me.
Mr. Manu Sharma, Mr. Manu Sharma,
yes.
you must understand
yes.
that I'm no greenhorn either.
Yes.
I'm no greenhorn either. If I can access 30 pages of chats, 30 pages of
yes.
chats from 2017
yes.
to 2020, you know I have information on what's going on, and I have information that summons have been issued to you tonight.
Well,
summons have been issued to your client tonight.
That you want. So I'll respond to those summons.
So you're not denying that these chats existed?
I don't remember, and I'll respond to the authorities.
Okay, and where is your client? Is he in Goa?
My client is in Goa and is willing to join any inquiry that any authority may want to conduct.
All right. And anything that he may want, because we are putting out these chats, which we know are true. We are doing a journalistic job, Mr. Manu Sharma, of taking your point of view.
Well, yeah, ma'am, you can raise your voice all you like, but the truth will come out. My client never did anything illegal. Please understand.
Okay, so you're saying if he never did anything illegal, then you're denying these chats?
I will respond to the authorities.
No, but if he didn't do anything illegal, which is distribution of drugs, telling people whether he has MDMA and he can procure MDMA, isn't it illegal according to law, according to the Narcotics
I have
Act?
never done anything illegal. My client has never done anything illegal.
If he's willing to join the probe, Mr. Sharma, why is his phone switched off, or does he have other numbers?
Well, his phone had become out of order.
Okay.
He has applied for a new SIM. It will be activated shortly, and you can contact me. I speak on his behalf.
All right. We called him yesterday
more than willing
as
to
well.
join any inquiry by any
Mr.
agency.
Manu Sharma, we contacted him yesterday as well, and I didn't think he wanted to answer any of the questions that we asked him, because somebody who has nothing to hide normally talks fearlessly. He disconnected the phone.
He will to the concerned agency.
Are you taking the easy way out? You don't want to respond because if there is nothing to hide, Mr. Sharma,
you're not making it easy. You're not making it easy by spreading all this against my client.
Sir, spreading.
Let the agency do their job.
I'm sure I don't want to make it easy for drug peddlers. And according to this chat,
you can. No. If you're,
I think you've been dealing with the Mumbai police, which is why you're talking about life being easy with the Mumbai police. They never asked you these questions when Bandra is the place where all this is being supplied. But yes, I'm not going to make your life easy. I'm not going to make your life easy.
You can do whatever you want. You can go
and I'm doing my journalistic duty. I'm doing my journalistic duty of asking you once again, Mr. Manu Sharma, are you denying these chats between your client, Mr. Gaurav Arya, and Riya Chakrabarti?
I will respond to men who have the power to ask questions to my client.
You're putting your client in jeopardy by not giving a clear answer. Is he a supplier or was Ria a one-off friend?
Are you running agencies?
Sir, I am doing my job as a journalist. And you know I'm a
Which
journalist.
is to report.
If I was running an agency, sir, you wouldn't be sitting and talking on camera and addressing crores and crores of people.
Not to interrogate.
I'm asking you a
Please stop
question. You
spreading
find
these
it
lies against my
interrogation
client.
too
He has
bad?
not done anything illegal.
Okay, so are you?
I will respond to a person in power. I will do that. I have said
Okay.
it once, twice, thrice, 100 times. Thanks.
Okay, person in power
But please
meaning.
stop spreading these lies.
What do you mean by drugs
Who
not
has the
being
power to
illegal?
investigate?
You're a lawyer. Can you explain to our viewers? Is possession?
I'm sorry. Don't. It's not. I'm sorry. Please.
We are
please don't
talking
talk
about
like this.
MDMA, sir. We are talking about MDMA,
Yeah.
sir. MDMA. I'm told it comes in a tablet or a capsule form.
Today there is no basis for saying this. When
Sir,
there
these
is,
chats
I
are the
will respond.
basis, and these chats are original documents that have been got from investigation agencies. I am putting these documents on air, and myself and my channel both stand by the documents that have been put out as being absolute, original, correct, and authentic documents. Now I'm asking you, in these chats, Gaurav Arya calls Ria Chakrabarti, says, come out, take it. When you're in the car, call me. Did he have these chats with Ria Chakrabarti or not? Are there other clients that he has in Bollywood in the Swiss shop circle?
I will talk to the agency when they summon me.
Okay.
And you will know.
The agency,
you will know the outcome of that.
You know the Enforcement Directorate has summoned you. You know the Narcotics Control Bureau has filed a case with Gaurav Arya's name on it, Mr. Manu Sharma.
If they do, I'll be very happy to appear.
All right.
take that
So why is Gaurav Arya, your client, hiding behind a
He's
lawyer?
not hiding. I am here before you, no? He's not hiding.
Okay, so why is he switched off his phone? Or it just
He's not
gets...
switched off. I just explained it to you. He's
Okay.
applied for another SIM. Yeah.
Okay, he's applied for
Nobody's
another.
hiding here. Please take it on
Yesterday
record.
we
Nobody's
called
hiding
him.
here.
Yesterday we called him. Can you identify his voice for us? Can we just play out the phono?
I'm not able to. I'm not getting to all
आप
this
तो उसकी
discussion.
आवाज
You wanted
पहचानते
my
होंगे,
comment?
आपका client है।
You wanted my comment. I have given that, madam. I don't want to. I am not into identifying voices.
At least tell us if this was
Not my
Gaurav
job.
Arya.
I'm not getting into that.
You're not?
You can play.
Facts.
I'm not getting into
Facts
that.
are not something that concern you, Mr. Manu Sharma, as a lawyer?
Well, yeah, I'm not. I do that in court, not in front of a news channel.
Your client's reputation is on the line. Can you just explain to us
Which
when
you
was
are
he-
harming irresponsibly.
I'm not. Absolutely not.
You are.
That is
You
a
are.
charge. That is
You
a
are.
charge that people of India will throw out of the window. Any court
Oh,
of
yeah,
law
yeah,
will throw
yeah.
out of the window. I'm talking
think
on the basis
we
of
have
evidence in my
agencies and
hand, sir.
We have agencies and we have courts to do that, not you.
You're not answering my direct question, Mr. Manu Sharma. What are you scared of?
I don't have to. I have told you, my comment is over. If
Mr.
you can go on
Mr.
carrying
Manu
on this
Sharma,
conversation.
Mr. Manu Sharma, the truth has
Yes,
one
yes.
version. The truth has one
truth
version.
will come out.
You can say
Truth
it
will come
here,
out.
you
So
can
stop
say it to
spreading
any
these lies.
agency, but the truth has one version.
Stop
Why don't you
spreading
give
these
us your
lies.
one version of truth?
I don't have to. I will do it to the agencies. Believe me.
Well, if it is lies, then deny it. Deny it. I dare you to deny these
I don't have
chats.
to.
Deny.
I've told you I've never done anything
Deny
illegal.
the chats.
I have
deny
never
the
done.
chats.
My client has never done anything illegal. Please understand
Have-
this one
have-
time.
have-
I don't know why it's
have
so
you
hard to
denied
understand.
these chats? Are you denying these chats?
What else
is it
is
a
this?
lie?
When I say,
is it a
when
lie?
I say,
Are you denying
when I
it?
say that I have never done anything illegal,
Are you denying these
I
chats?
said what I wanted to say.
Are you
have no
denying
right to,
these chats,
You have no
Mr.
right to
Sharma?
question me.
Are you
you can
denying
go on
these
doing
chats?
this. You can
Are
go on
these
doing
lies?
this.
Are these lies? Are you denying them?
What you are speaking is lie. It's a big lie.
Is it a lie?
Yes, it's a
And
lie
you
that
will-
you've been spreading. Calling my client a drug dealer is a lie.
Okay, so he just consumes
Yes.
drugs? So he just consumes drugs and has friendly chats and asked people
This
to
is-
come out and take
now
it from
this
his
is all-
car?
Now you're entering a very defamatory zone, madam.
No, I'm
Don't do
quoting
it.
him from the chats that he had with Riya Chakrabarti.
You can keep your chats, you can read them to your viewers, but that's not going to affect. I'll respond
Why are
when
you
I
so
have to.
scared? Why don't you deny these
I'm
chats?
scared. I responded
Deny
to
the
your
chats.
call and I'm here
Deny
before
the
you.
chats.
No, I
Deny
don't have
the
to agree
chats.
with you. I don't have to agree
You
with
are saying he's not a drug
I
dealer,
will-
then deny the
Madam,
chats.
I will face inquiry, I'll face investigation, but I am not answerable to you.
Are you
But I expect
denying
you to
these
be
chats?
responsible.
Are you denying these chats?
You can go on.
Are you denying
I don't
these
even
chats?
know whether your chats are authentic. Why should I get into denying or accepting?
Then why did you come on the phone, sir? If the
You
chats are
invited
not
me.
authentic.
You invited me.
Yes, I invited you to tell me whether these are right or wrong. So
you
tell
can
me
hang
whether
up.
they are
You
right
can
or
hang up.
wrong.
I've said what I wanted to say.
No,
You can hang
tell
up.
me whether this
I'm-
is right or wrong. Are you denying?
What is?
Are you
I am
denying?
not. You can go on.
Are
can
you
do this.
denying these
You
chats?
can go on doing.
Are you denying these chats?
I don't even know whether your chats are genuine. How many
I'll play
times
them
have
out
I
for
to
you.
say this?
Well, can we put out those chats? All the chats
You
are on
you
air.
can go on doing that. You can go on doing that.
Gaurav Arya's
All you like.
Gaurav
All you
Arya's
like.
chat. He tells Riya
You can
Chakrabarti,
go on
come
doing
out.
that. All you
Call
like.
me when
But
you're in the
I
car.
don't have to respond to you.
Well, are you denying then? Are you denying? In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't done too many. According to him, LSD
you
once
can
and
be-
MDMA.
I don't know what-
Riya
don't have
told
to-
Gaurav, and Gaurav says yes, he has MDMA. He can procure MDMA.
I don't have to respond. I don't even know whether
So
it's
are you
genuine that
denying?
what you're reading.
So are you denying?
My denial doesn't matter, madam. I have said I have never done
Well,
anything illegal. I stick to that.
I have
think
asked
this
these.
discussion is
I have
over.
asked these
I
questions
think this
because you
discussion
said
is
you are
over. I have never
representing
done
your
anything
client.
illegal. If I have, I will respond to the agency and to court, not to you.
Well, the case has been registered
Yes.
against your client.
You know everything, right?
Yes, I do.
Oh, great. Thank you. Congratulations.
Yeah, the narcotics.
Thank you so much.
The Narcotics
Thank you so
Control
much.
Bureau has registered a case this evening, Mr. Sharma.
Great. So I'll
So are
deal
you
with them.
denying these chats? Are you denying these chats?
You're repeating something which is baseless, does not lend it any credibility.
It's not baseless. I put
Please
out a chat. I've got this. I've accessed
Fine,
this.
I
have
have
accessed
not-
these from an
I
agency.
I don't have
Your
to
client has
respond to
been
anything.
named in a case by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and you're saying that he's never done anything illegal. So are these
Yes, I'm
chats
saying that.
wrong?
Yes.
Are you
So they
denying?
will inquire and I will come out. You will know the result.
Are these chats wrong?
You can go on again. You can go on posing this question.
But
I'm not
you're the
answering.
lawyer. You're the lawyer. You should give the official position. Are these right or wrong chats?
I'll respond to the agency, madam. I'm
So-
not responding to you. I
so-
don't know what you have in your possession, really.
They're playing out.
Whether it's genuine,
Message
whether it is
from
not
the
genuine,
car.
I have no
Message
idea.
from the car. Why?
You can go on doing it,
Why
madam.
did Riya Chakrabarti
I
delete
think
these
you're
chats,
wasting
sir?
your own time and mine.
Why did Riya Chakrabarti
I have
delete these
responded to
chats,
that.
sir? What was she
Who?
trying to hide?
How the hell do I answer for Riya?
Because Gaurav Arya,
How
your
can I-
client,
how
is
can I answer for
chatting
you?
with somebody.
If you do anything, can I answer for you?
No,
what
we-
Riya has done, she will answer. How
We-
can I answer for her?
The contents are evidence, sir, in a murder, possibly a
Then
murder
we
case.
will read. Then let the agencies do their job. They will read.
Well,
You don't have any
well,
right to.
this has been
judge me
accessed
guilty.
from agencies.
That's really unfortunate. If an ongoing investigation has been leaked to you, that's quite unfortunate.
What is unfortunate, sir, is the fact that a man has
Well, you
lost
can
his
go on.
life.
You can go on saying this all you like.
Are you denying the chats?
I don't have no reason to today believe your chats.
Okay,
When
so
I
you're
do,
denying them.
I will advise my
So
client
you're
to take a
denying them.
position on this.
You're
You
denying
can go
them.
on saying, you can. I think my answer is clear for the last 15 minutes. You can draw your.
It's not clear, sir. समझ नहीं आ रहा है ना viewers को ना
ठीक
मुझे.
है, मत समझिए. That's why I say that leave the lawyerly stuff to lawyers and to courts and to.
सर अगर मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा, इंडिया को समझ नहीं आ रहा, तो एजेंसीज कैसे
India को क्या-
समझेंगी?
You are not the repository of India. Let me tell you.
Sir, I represent, I'm the Sutradhar
can
of the
appoint
voice
yourself
of
as
Indian
repository
people,
of India,
sir.
you're not.
I'm the Sutradhar. I bring their questions to you, sir.
Okay, great. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. But would you want to tell me whether these chats are...
You can do it for the next 1 hour. I'm sure that these chats that you're speaking of are authentic and genuine, my client has not to take any position on one way or the other.
Oh,
That's my response.
He's
You
not
can go
taking
on.
a position. उसे पता ही
You
नहीं.
can go on. You can go on saying
No,
whatever
your client is not taking a
you want.
position.
No, I'm sorry, you are not running a court here.
When did you last speak to your
When?
client?
That's between me and him.
No, I'm not asking you the contents of the chat. I'm only asking you when did you speak to him? Before his phone got...
This evening, I had a word with him this evening. He's available. Whenever he's summoned, he will answer.
Okay, so his phone was working then.
I told you it takes time for activation.
Okay,
The earlier one
and then
got-
he's changed his SIM.
It's the same number, madam. Please understand this.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, same
Okay.
number. Which
All
was
right.
switched off. Thank
and,
you.
And for how long will his phone remain off? Because we'd like to talk to him as well.
You can call me anytime. His phone will also be soon working.
When you spoke to your client, what did he tell you? Did he have these conversations, chats with Riya Chakrabarti or no?
Well, now you're entering into a domain where you don't belong.
Why, sir? I'm asking you because I've read
I
this.
don't have to respond to you. I don't have to.
But
I?
Sir, you'll have to
Really?
But you're denying. Are you denying?
No, you can invite some lawyer and he will tell you that I don't have to respond to you
Okay.
on this.
क्यों? अगर सच होता है तो लोग बता
What I
देते
share
हैं.
with my client, I don't have to respond to you.
Okay.
Share with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Gaurav Arya is going to come from Goa to present himself to the agencies.
That whenever the agency is required, he'll be there to answer every query.
Every
You
query.
can take it. Yeah.
Okay. And he will be talking on the narcotics. Manu Sharma, earlier you said you don't remember. Now you're saying बुलाएंगे तो आ जाएंगे. Earlier you said his phone is off, it's not working. Then you spoke to him a little while ago.
You can summon him and he'll appear. मैं पिछले आधे घंटे से बोल रहा हूँ कि वो आएंगे, एजेंसी का आंसर करेंगे, आपको नहीं करेंगे.
क्यों? लोगों के सवालों का जवाब देना जरूरी नहीं है.
आपका नहीं, एजेंसी का. हाँ.
अच्छा.
It's believe me, it is improper to interfere in an ongoing investigation. That's exactly what you are doing.
I'm not.
I hope you do.
I'm not interfering,
stop
sir.
doing that.
I'm not interfering, sir. May I tell you?
You are.
The man who died on the 14th of June. The Mumbai police didn't ask any questions. These are recovered chats involved in a. Let me finish. In a possible murder case.
And I really hope.
And the chats have come up now because of the relentless pursuit of the truth that has been carried out by Times now.
Yes. I have nothing to do with all that whole episode. Please.
Okay. You know?
I have nothing to do with that.
Is that what your client told you?
Again,
No,
I think you should know where. I think you should learn to pose questions to lawyers.
Sir, I'm a journalist. I don't want to be a wannabe lawyer, but
Okay.
I just happen to be a journalist and I ask questions as they come
So
to me.
I don't have to respond to you.
Okay, so I'm asking you, Riya Chakrabarti is a dramatis personae who could be involved in a certain amount of a conspiracy in the abetment of suicide or possibly a murder case. And Riya Chakrabarti has been in touch with your client. I'm asking you again.
When was this?
This was in 2017. आपको पहले याद नहीं था?
When did this man meet his maker? That was June 2020, after 3 years.
Yeah, but I'm not
Does it make
asking you
sense to
about
you?
the murder. I'm only asking about whether you supplied drugs. That is the
No,
conversation.
I did not. I have answered that so many times. Why can you?
Then,
It's a simple
okay,
answer. I've given like
if
10
you
times
did
now.
not, if you did not,
did
then
not
what
supply
were these
any drugs to anyone.
conversations? Let me just ask you. You know, you're a reasonable man, and I think you would understand some of these statements that have been made here. And I just want to ask you, what do these statements mean if they are not about drugs? Everyone wants to know. Riya sends to him. He says, hard fresh is good, and then he goes on to say, in case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't done too many. Riya tells him MDMA once. He says, you have MD. She asks him. He says, I'm out. Then she asks him, can we call for it? And then he says, yes, of course. He says, sorry dude, that guy was passing me off and I didn't want to disturb, and your dad's dad's evening, so he even knows Ria's dad. That doesn't seem like a casual conversation. Obviously somebody you know.
I think we can go.
And then Ria asked him
I think we can go round and round in circles.
Circles
but
nahi hai,
madam,
sir.
please understand. It's circle. Let the agencies do their
Circles
job.
nahi hai, sir. I'm asking you about your client's chat. And the client
I
says,
am not
client says, I think so, I can procure. Then after a few minutes, at around 8 o'clock, he says, I have, I can procure it for you. At 8:02, he says, come out, message me from the car. And then she comes out at that time and she says, okay. So they're talking about giving each other some hard stuff, some fresh stuff.
Okay. What do I say to this? I have said that I don't know the authenticity of your chats. When a responsible government agency,
I don't know what lawyers do in their free time, but as a journalist in my free time, I don't concoct names and chats between people.
I think you should not interfere in an ongoing investigation.
I'm not interfering, sir. I'm asking you a question.
Let them do their job.
I'm asking you a question because I have access.
By your screaming about it, the truth will not emerge.
I'm not screaming. I'm merely asking you questions. I'm merely asking you.
Speaking lie 100 times does not make it true.
I'm not saying lies, sir. The country will judge this. The courts will judge this. The courts will judge this.
I really hope.
I'm saying, is your client still in touch with Ria Chakrabarti? Is your client still in touch with Ria Chakrabarti?
Thank you so much. I have no contact with her. Thank you.
You don't have contact with Ria? Or do you not have contact with Gaurav Arya? Or do you know whether these are lies?
I am Gaurav Arya. What are you talking? I won't have any contact with Gaurav Arya.
Okay, so you're not in touch with Ria anymore?
I don't have to respond. I've already said I have no contact with her at all.
But
how many times do I have to say it?
You were discussing her dad with her casual?
You can, madam, I think I've spoken enough on this topic.
नहीं, पापा की बात कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा बहुत तो जानते
हो। पापा मम्मा जिसकी आप करेंगे वो एजेंसी करेंगी, आप मत कीजिए। This is not your job.
What's your job, sir? जवाब देना है ना, जवाब दे दो।
मैं आपने मेरे को इनवाइट किया था, मैं जवाब दे चुका हूँ और काफी बार एक बात को रिपीट कर चुका हूँ।
चलिए आपकी मर्जी। फिर एजेंसीज पूछेंगी, फिर आप उनको जवाब देते फिरिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और जब आप
फिरिएगा यू कैन यूज एनी लाइन। ठीक है।
थैंक यू। नमस्कार।
थैंक्स।
नमस्कार। Well, that was Manu Sharma, the lawyer of Gaurav Arya, the man in Goa whose phone has suddenly stopped working because there are questions that we wanted to ask him, and we're looking at this entire investigation here. There is a drugs angle, there is a financial fraud angle, there is a conspiracy that's in the making. We'll keep playing all the chats that we've been able to access. In fact, this is the whole dossier, all 24 pages of it, ladies and gentlemen, that we hear at times now. Yesterday we showed you 8 chats. Today these are 24 pages, 4 chats all on a page. And we'll tell you exactly what these chats reveal. We'll take a short break. We'll be back on the other side.